Hello friends, welcome to TurboSite channel. In this video, we will introduce how to use TBS6324 Quad 3 SDI PCIe encoder with software TVHeadend. There are totally two steps. Step 1. Use TBS SDI Tool to set up desired encoding parameters. We've made a separate video that specifically explains how to set the encoding parameters using the TBS SDI Tool. You can find the video link in the description below. Now let's get to the step 2. Set up to use TVHeadend for the streaming in TBS SDI Tool. Link to TVHeadend in browser. Set the 4 HDMI inputs to be as DVB-S inputs. Then configure frequencies, polarizations, and symbol rates just like a tuner card. We can use any values you like as long as they follow the DVB-S standard. Use the VLC to test the stream. TVHeadend supports to output HTTP stream only. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and product updates from TBS.